Hello friends, this is Durga again from ITversity, a one-stop shop to learn all the technologies. So at this time we are talking about setting up GitHub project, and we already reviewed our GitHub repository and other details. So as part of this video, we will see how to download and set up GitHub project in STS. So for that, first we need to download or clone using Git. So first make sure that you have either Git client installed on your PC, or you can also download. So if you want to download, you can go to this URL, and this is the repository which you need to download. You just expand it and you can download as zip. Okay, and once it is downloaded, you have to unzip and you have to copy to the appropriate location. So first, before getting into those details, let me explain that the project in little bit detail. So if you go to here, the repository is called as demo mr, or the project name is demo mr or demo MapReduce. And if you click on this source main Java nysc source main Java, there are two packages, nysc package and word count package. Word count package is the same thing which we have created earlier to run the word count program as part of the previous topic. So here we have a new package called nysc, and there are several sub packages which actually covers majority of the MapReduce APIs. So this is the code base which covers almost 85 to 90% of the MapReduce APIs in detail. And the video content to understand those concepts are here. You can click on this playlist and you can actually start watching it. So click on this icon to get you to the playlist, which will take you to the playlist, and you can start watching it, and you can use the code provided. So that being said, now let us understand how to download and set up this GitHub project. So already we have created an application called demo mr as part of the previous topic. Hence, first we have to delete it. So the location where this project is created is this one. Okay, it's under users D Gadiraju research big data live demos big data mr, which is nothing but my workspace. So this is the location for my MapReduce workspace, and here I want to create several MapReduce projects for live demos. That's why I named it as live demos. So I would like to clone the demo mr here, but we already have demo mr here which will conflict. So it will not work directly. As we have only word count program here, use STS, don't delete from the command line. If you delete from the command line, you might delete the wrong one. Right click on it, click on delete, and then choose this one, delete project contents on disk. If you do not check this one, then the files which are there under demo mr will not be deleted. Only the project from Eclipse will be deleted, but the actual programs or actual project on the disk will not be deleted. So make sure you check this one, delete project contents on disk. Click on OK. And before downloading or cloning the project, downloading and copying to this location or cloning directly at this location, first make sure that there is no demo mr here. Now there is no demo mr here. So there are multiple ways to actually download the repository or project. One of the ways is to run the git clone command. For that you need to have git installed. I already installed git here. If you have it, it is fine. If you don't have it, either install it, or if you are not if you don't want to explore git much, you can just download it using the browser. Okay, so you can click on this link which will take you to the repository, and in the repository under cloner download, you can just say download zip, and it will download as zip file, and then you can unzip, and after unzipping it, you will see a directory called demo mr. You have to copy that directory to the location where you want to create this application, and my preferred location is this one. So if I have to copy the unzipped downloaded directory, I will be copying it here. But in this case, I will be using git clone command. You can copy this URL and run git clone and URL, and also I have provided the command here. Okay, just copy this command if you have git, and just run this command. So it is cloning demo mr here, and you can see you can run ls-ltr and you can see the demo mr project being cloned here. And if you see here, if you cd to demo mr and ls-ltr, you can see the pom.xml file which will actually drive the configuration when we import the project using STS. So now in STS, make sure you are in the right workspace. I think you can go here and so I'm not sure how to validate whether you are in the right workspace or not, but if it is not showing up, if the workspace which you are looking is not showing up here, that means you are in that workspace. Okay, there is another workspace, simple apps here, but I'm already in the live demos workspace, so I can use this workspace directly. Or you can actually close the STS completely to make sure that you started on right workspace. Hit enter. Okay, so here it is pointing to live demos big data mr. Big data mr is the workspace for me to have all my MapReduce based projects or applications. So it will take a moment to create to open the STS, and we will see how to import the downloaded project from the GitHub as Maven application or Maven project. So already we are here, so you can actually say, you can right click on directly in the package explorer, or you can go to file, import. So import is to import the project, so you can use the import. Okay, existing Maven projects, because we have already downloaded. Click on next. Click on browse to go to the root directory, and this is the correct location. So I am under D. Gadiraju Research Big Data Live Demos Big Data MR, and this is the project which I want to set up. Click on open, and you can see the pom.xml under demo MR is automatically selected, and then click on finish. Okay, now you can see the demo MR is created successfully here, and we need to make sure that there are no errors. Okay, but if you see here, there are few errors. The reason is, whenever you launch the workspace without projects, it will try to use the default settings, and the default compiler is 1.5 compiler for Eclipse. So as it is using 1.5 compiler, it will compile with this error. So make sure that you are pointing to the right compiler. For that, you can go to file, click on properties. Now 1 minute. File, properties, go to Java compiler, select the Java compiler, and you can see that it is actually using compliance from execution environment J2SE 1.5 on the Java build path. We have to disable this. You have to enable project specific settings, and you have to disable JDK compliance. And then here you can see 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8. As I'm using 1.8 JDK or the JRE, Java Runtime Environment, I'm using 1.8 here. Click on apply. It will rebuild the project. Click on yes, and click on OK. Okay, and already the errors are gone, so it looks fine. Now we have to run the MapReduce application to make sure that it is successful. We have downloaded and configured properly because we don't see any errors, but we have to run it to make sure it is successful, and we will take care of it as part of the next video. So as part of this video, we actually set up a GitHub project in Eclipse, and let me review several components which are already there, but we will not be running all those things. You can see that there is a application called NYSE, and there are many modules or many use cases which are executed here as part of exploring the MapReduce APIs. One is average stock volume per month, which is kind of computing aggregations using MapReduce, and then top 3 stocks by volume, which is ranking and ranking use case. And as part of this, I have customized quite a bit of components leveraging the MapReduce APIs, and then I have achieved what is supposed to be achieved here. So if you go through my videos by going to the playlist, you will understand all in detail. Everything is explained in detail. For example, top 3 stocks by volume. If you go here, if you click on this playlist, and if you scroll down, you can see top 3 stocks per day. There are 6 videos which covers everything in detail. Okay, so as part of this, I have written mapper, reducer. I have used a lot of custom components also in the middle. If you start watching it, you will understand. This playlist actually covers 85 to 90% of all the MapReduce APIs in detail. If you are a Java developer, I will highly recommend to explore this in detail, so that you will have some edge in the interview process. And that playlist is quite successful. It is being watched by many people. Let me show you. You can see that it has 21,000 views, and a lot of guys even certified by going through this content. Okay, so that being said, I hope you are enjoying the content. If you like this video, or if you want to provide the feedback, please do so. If you have to rate, please give me the rating. And if you think there is something missing to give a full rating, please reach out to me. I will either come up with the solution or justification. If you are not satisfied, then it's up to you. You can give whatever rating you want. But if you are absolutely satisfied, please give me the full rating. It will give a lot of traction for my courses, and I will keep publishing as many courses as possible over time. That being said, thank you. Bye.